want you guys, again, as I said, get into all this class with an open mind.
And now is literally the best time in time of history to launch a virtual summit.
My discovery was this: the more likes you get, the more followers you get, the more leads you get, the more income you make.
Think about how much your business can grow if almost 1/4 of your revenue is generated automatically.
What's the one thing that businesses can't survive without, right? It's traffic. A lot of people are on Instagram and they believe, I don't need to run ads on Instagram, I'm there to have some fun.
See, what are Google Ads actually? Have you all ever, seen the Star website, the Sun Daily maybe, blogs? You've seen this? Okay, these are called Google Display Ads.
Oh, is my oldest student. Let me show you. Many people cannot get her age, right? But she's very famous lah.
Now the reason why I print these three words on my t-shirt, there's a reason for that. Because last time I don't think that marketing is important. I always ignore marketing. The reason why I ignore marketing because I have a strong belief that if I have a good product, if I have a good services, if I have a great customer service, if my business located in the best locations, if my whatsoever, all the great reasons, it will bring me sales, it will bring me customers. It is totally wrong. This is the wrong mindset. You have to clear this mindset.
It's just 100 is the number. It's the desire to speak your truth without fear of rejection. The number 100 is the desire to be self-reliant. It's the desire for independence. It's the desire to be free from obligations. You don't have to have the obligations of a boss or an employer.
Okay, first thing, we need to have a product to sell. True. Okay, whether be it digital or physical product, we need to have a product to sell. We need to have a website. We need to have sales pages, and more importantly, we need to have traffic.
Everything I do, okay, is not I do it for you. But this, keep it simple, stupid.
The first step in getting somewhere is to decide that you're not going to stay where you are.
Wise man once said knowledge is power. Alright, now I'm sure everybody has heard that before. But he was wrong. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge is only potential power. All of the knowledge in the world is useless if you don't take action.
This is a great little infograph I love to show. So this is one that investors use a lot, right? If times are good, then a lot of people generally end up buying at the top of the spike. So when the roller coaster is at the peak, that's when a lot of people buy. So they end up buying for a premium price. But when the roller coaster is at the bottom, people don't tend to buy. But this is the best price. Whenever the market is frightening and it's at its lowest, that's when there's a lot of opportunities.
I am telling you that building an income online is literally as easy as what you see on the screen. You define yourself what your goal is, how much you want, and you work out how much is your money worth, how much is your time worth. Are you even worth $10,000? If you don't think you're worth $10,000, stick to $1,000 $100 plan. Okay? 1,000 copies of $1,000 product. 7,000 copies of a $100 product.
Let me congratulate each and every one of you. There is a saying that was said to me by my mentor, of course, Winston himself. He actually mentioned that 50% of success is already you being here right now.
You don't need any skills. You don't need any marketing skills. You don't need any tech skills. You just need the right insight and the right guidance.
When things are down, there's always something go up.
That's it, guys. I mean, it's almost 11 o'clock. I'm not sure what else to say. But to just say that I feel with a lot of, I feel really happy that you guys walked this journey together with me and with my team members as well. All right. I think my team members are. I mean, we are not done yet. We still have a lot of work to do. But you know, I just always tell my team members that with their help, we can serve so much more people out there. All right. And with your help, after you learn, I hope together with you, we can even serve more people out there. So I always tell all my students, when you are successful, don't forget to come back to serve the community. All right, we are a culture of serving, and we are here to serve, and we want you to serve others as well.